Hey friends, we're back to do some more learning with Gus Gets Mad, but before we pick up the book today, we're going to talk about punctuation. We know that at the end of a sentence, we find punctuation marks. We've learned a lot about a period. When we are all done saying what we need to say, we put a period to help my readers know when to stop. So the period goes at the end. But sometimes we see different punctuation. Sometimes we see a punctuation mark that looks like that. Do you know what that is? That's right, that's a question mark. When I see this at the end of a sentence, it means that somebody is asking a question that they want an answer to. And when I see this, I change my voice a little bit to match how the reader might, or the character might say it. So my voice goes up a little bit at the end. We'll see if we can figure that out in the story. Another punctuation mark that we might see here, that's called an exclamation mark. That means that there's a strong feeling. So when I see that, I know that my voice needs to change to match the strong feeling. So our punctuation marks are here. We're going to see which ones we notice in our book. Gus gets mad. Here I see a period. That means I'll just read normal. Gus goes to the park. Ooh, an exclamation mark. That means there's a strong feeling. There is a sandbox. I think that Gus is excited. He will have a good day. Gus digs a hole, a big hole. Gus gets water. He makes a lake. A big lake. The lake is not full. Are you noticing punctuation at the end of each sentence that I read? He needs more water. I notice a few things different about the way that these words are written. First of all, I notice an exclamation point. That means that there's going to be a strong feeling. But looks like all of these letters are uppercase. I wonder why that is. I think the reader wants me to read this part a little bit differently. They're all big, so I think I might need a little bit of a bigger voice. And I know that I see an exclamation point here, so there are some strong feelings. Let me give this part a try with changing my voice. There is no water. Hey, that makes sense with the way that he's feeling. He looks a little surprised. I think his feeling is surprised. There is no water. Gus gets mad. Very mad. This is not a good day. It is time to go. Another period at the end. Gus gets his toys. Wow, another exclamation mark. Do you think reading it like this, wow, would fit the way that he's feeling? I think he's looking surprised, and the exclamation mark tells me about the strong feeling that he's having. So the way I'm going to read this is with a strong feeling. I'm going to say, wow. There's another one. He looks excited. My lake, he says. Gus had a good day. A very good day. We remember that punctuation helps us understand how to read our words. Talk to your family member about the different kinds of punctuation you see and how your voice might match the punctuation when you're reading.